Want to see how I make these amazing onion soup smash burgers? Watch the rest of this video. Welcome to Ben's Ramblings, recipes, reviews, and ramblings. Today, we're making smash burgers, but not just any smash burgers. We're making Anthony Bourdain's French onion soup smash burgers. You can check up there for the link to the French onion soup, which I made in the past. Let's get started with the smash burgers. We're using some Kobe beef. I've got them in 3-pound balls. Here we go. So I've got Kobe beef, I've got 3-pound balls of ground beef. I've got some baguette, which I've sliced in half. We're gonna toast that up with some butter. And I've got some French fries to go on the grill too. I've already got my onion soup heating up on the griddle. Let's get started. All right, first things first, let's get the French fries on the griddle. Here. These are frozen French fries. We want to just get them all in one layer. Once they're defrosted, we'll throw some oil on them and really crisp them up. The French fries are just about heated up. Let's get started with the smash burgers. Again, we've got 3-ounce smash burgers. I'm going to put them on the griddle and turn that heat up a little bit. We'll let them sizzle for a minute like this. Then I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper, put it under my burger spatula, and press down with the heel of another spatula. Like that. Okay, we'll let those cook till the juices come up through them. Then we're going to flip them over and we'll start making our sandwiches. In the meantime, let's get some butter on the griddle. I just put some clarified butter on the griddle. Spread it around. We're going to toast up our bread. This is just some French baguette I got at the supermarket this morning. I'm going to hit these fries now with a little bit of oil. And get those really frying. Turn the heat up a little there. Give them a toss. Tell you what, to get these bread toasted up a little bit, I am just going to use my pan as a press. Put that right there. Get those toasted up. Got these burgers out. Get in there. Let's get them, let them get nice and crispy. Give the fries another toss. All right. Let's give the burgers a flip. Think they're ready. Take a look. Check on the bread. It's getting nice and toasted. Let's get that off. Let's put one of these together. We're going to use a slotted spoon and drain some of the liquid from the onion soup. Put it on top of one of these burgers. I'll do 2 of these. Like this. All right. I'm going to cover them all with Gruyere cheese. So, I'm just going to put 2 burgers together now. The other burgers I'm going to save for another time. Okay, get these burgers stacked. Okay, get our top on. I'm going to pull these other burgers off. Okay. French fries, and the last thing is get some of this onion soup as an au jus to dunk the burger in. There it is, our onion soup smash burgers with French fries and the onion soup as an au jus to dip the burger in. Let's go inside, give it a try. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grate some fresh Parmesan over the French fries. All right, let's give it a try. That's my dog Lola woofing in the background. She wants some too. Dunking the onion soup. Oh my God, so good. Thank you, Mrs. Ramblings, for the napkin. The crunch on the burger, the onion soup umami taste, the Gruyere cheese, crunchy, crusty baguette, unbelievable. I gotta have another bite. That's one of the best smash burgers I've had. Absolutely fantastic. Give the fries a try. That grated Parmesan. Again, fantastic. I didn't put any salt on. That Parmesan adds enough salt for me. Obviously, if you like more salt, go ahead and put some grated black pepper. Yeah, we'll hit it with a little bit of black pepper. Give that a shot. Again, nice crunchy fries done on the Blackstone. Give this a try. Again, my onion soup recipe, the link's right up there. That by itself is phenomenal. It's Anthony Bourdain's recipe from a restaurant he had in Manhattan called Les Halles. Just unbelievable French onion soup. A fantastic smash burger. Great taste, great crunch. Just a great all-around burger. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, don't forget like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified of all the recipes I do. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.